Good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Filipino recruiter. I receive hereby data from Jazz, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Little bit only, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Why do you want to come here in Malaysia?
Because I want work in Malaysia, ma'am, for my family and my children,
This is your first time working abroad, correct?
ma'am.
Can you endure homesickness?
Yes, ma'am. For my children, po, ma'am.
Are
I
you
will try my
mentally
best.
stable?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any problem to your body? Like, do you have any sickness? Are you fit to work?
No, ma'am.
So you are fit to work.
I'm, yes, ma'am. I'm healthy, ma'am.
Okay, you are healthy. So can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Good afternoon, ma'am. I am 24 years old. I live in Nancapia, Malasiki, Pangasinan, Philippines. My birthday is on March 24, 2000. My religion is Roman Catholic. I have two children, years old.
Okay.
Then I'm
Sorry, what is it again?
I'm married po, ma'am.
Okay, so what is your height and your weight?
My height 25,
Your weight?
for 5 flat po, ma'am. Ay, 45
Okay,
po.
what about your educational background?
I'm graduate. I'm a high school graduate, ma'am.
High school graduate. So who will going to take care of your two children once you come to work here in Malaysia because this is your first time working abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Is there anyone to look after your children who will going to take care of your children?
My my mother-in-law, ma'am.
What about your husband? What is his occupation and how old is he?
My husband, ma'am, is construction only in here, Manila, ma'am.
How old?
28 years
28 years
28 years
old.
old.
Okay, so do you have any working experience as a housemaid in the Philippines?
Year 2017, she started to work. She started to I started to work housemaid in Manila for 2 years, ma'am. And I reserving one female elderly. Her
Okay.
tax was
How old is the elderly that you take care? Is it female or male?
female, ma'am.
Is it bedridden?
No, ma'am.
Okay,
She's
female
healthy.
elderly. How old is the elderly female?
I think is 20, 64, ma'am.
64 years old. Okay, while taking care of this elderly, you do house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
What did you do there after you take care elderly?
All around, ma'am. Um, clean the house. Take care, take care of the take care of pets, the bird, and cooking, washing clothes and airing clothes, and also the
Gardening.
gardening.
Okay. After 2019, okay, because in your biodata 2017 to 2019, after 2019 until now, you are a full-time mom, correct?
Yes, ma'am. I am full time, ma'am.
Okay, so uh, Emily, you need to expect
Ma'am,
those unexpected things as I have mentioned earlier, because this is not a play for us. Working abroad is not that so easy, and it is very tough. If you cannot endure homesickness, if you cannot endure your pride, if you are prideful person, if you also not so humble, better don't go abroad, okay?
yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you know that going abroad is not that so easy. Oh, you might think to yourself that am I doing this right? I am working abroad, or you just always remember that you come here to work abroad just to sustain for your family's needs, okay? You need to respect the rules and regulations also of other countries, because this is not Philippines. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
So you have a 2 years contract and you need to finish that. It's not 2 days, it's not 2 weeks, and it's not 2 months. Otherwise, you need to compensate your employer and at the same time the agency. And if there is something might happen to your family, like unexpected situation, you cannot easily go back home. You know that, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you signed contract 2 years, so you need to finish that. Nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia, and you were the one who decided because of the poverty in the Philippines. That's why you decided to come and work abroad, right?
Yes, ma'am. I finished it.
Yeah, so you need to be flexible, you need to be multitasking, same like what you are doing to your family right now. You are a full-time mom, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So you need to be flexible. So are you prepared for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, there is no such a thing here that you will just focus on doing house chores only. No such a thing. You need to do also, or if there is any children, or this, if there is any infant inside the house or elderly, you need to assist also while doing house chores, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
So, are you okay to take your children while doing house chores?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care, baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care, elderly people?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Can you cook?
Ma'am?
Cook. Can you cook?
Yes.
What foods usually you can prepare? What variety of cuisine you can prepare?
Filipino foods only, ma'am.
But you
But
are
I
willing
want,
to learn, right?
I want and willing to learn
Okay, so
Malaysian.
can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Ma'am?
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
I will try, ma'am.
Okay. So are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you afraid of any dogs like snakes or rats, cats?
It's only dogs and cats only, ma'am. But snake, I'm
Okay. So you are okay, yeah? You comfortable taking care of dogs? Okay, are you aware in usage of mobile handphone?
yes, ma'am.
If you are aware, can you let me know what is it?
Only 2 hours, ma'am. After work.
Okay. You cannot hold your phone for the whole day because you are working, right? During nighttime, you can have your phone like 2 hours only. You know why is like that? Because if you cannot control using of mobile handphone, the next day you don't have the energy to work. And if you hold your phone for the whole day, then it might ended up that it might disturb your working hours, right? Later you will do TikTok until you are cooking and then until it burns, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So you agree, that you can hold only during nighttime?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, on your rest day also, of course, you are entitled to have a once a week rest day, but you will going to stay inside the house of the employer and you cannot go out. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, sure. I just wanted to make it clarify from you before you reach here in Malaysia. We don't want later problem. Okay? As much as possible, we want to let you know about the rules and regulations here. Whether if you agree, you can come here. If you disagree, then better no need to come. Okay? So normally homesickness will frequently visit us anytime. How will you gonna handle it, or how will you gonna fight your homesickness?
I will focus, ma'am, for working, ma'am, because I will focus for
You will focus on working. Okay, so Emily, I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because agents here in Malaysia
Thank
will
you
going to
also, ma'am.
contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.